Hi there, have you ever wanted to block the internet access for specific apps or software? Sounds tricky, right? But don't worry, it's actually very easy and I will show you in just 2 minutes. Hi, I am Rushi and you're watching Code by Rushi. Let's get started. Go to your desktop screen and click the search bar and type firewall.cpl and open it. A new window will open. In this window, you will see an option called Advanced Settings. Click on it. Again, a new window will open. In this window, find the outbound rules and click on it. On the right side, under the Actions, click on New Rule option. A new window will open. Select the option Program and click Next. Now it will ask the program path. Click Browse and select the .exe file of the software that you want to block the internet. For example, if you want to block the internet for Google Chrome, find and select the chrome.exe file. After selecting file, click Next. By default, block connection is selected. Don't change it, just click Next. Again click Next. Now you need to name the rule. You can type anything here. For example, I will type Chrome in the name and description. After that, click Finish. Now, let's check the internet is blocked for Google Chrome. I will open Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge side by side. You can see that Chrome has no internet access, but Microsoft Edge still working. This means we successfully blocked the internet access for Chrome while other apps can still use the internet. And that's it, we done successfully. Now if you want to unblock the internet for Google Chrome, follow these steps. Open the Windows Firewall Advanced Settings again. In my case, Chrome. Select the Chrome, right click on it and select Delete option. Click Yes for the confirm. Now let's check Chrome again. You can see that Chrome is now connected to internet again. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to Code by Rushi and I will see you in next video.